Okay, Thursday. I have been out of the shop for Sunday. I think I spent 2 hours out here. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So basically 3 3/4 days I have not done anything out here. And today is the day after my little eye procedure. And tell you what, my eye hurt like hell last night. I didn't know if I was going to be able to sleep. And for some reason now my left eye is hurting. I don't know how the hell that can happen, but it was my right eye they did the procedure on, and it feels pretty good. I'm actually, I don't want to jinx myself, but the little black fuzzy thing, that floater that I couldn't see around, I'm not seeing it in front of my eye. That's amazing. Anyway, I'm doing better. I think it's going to be all will be well. I have sanded these two. Let's see, Red, Doug, Arrow. This is Arrows. I've sanded them, these three, up to 220. I'm fixing to sand the last three up to 220. That would be Eric's neck knife and Jesse's neck knife. So, and then I will start on 320. But I think, I'm just going to kind of work a little slow today. I think I'm going to get me a cup of coffee and take a little break. These two will go pretty fast. I'll be starting all over at 320 here in no time at all. And from 320 on, the sandy goes so much easier. Everybody's getting satin finish, so I'm going to make some real progress on these today. All right, I'm going to get me a cup of coffee, pet my dog, and get back to work. Yeah.
By then, he done got the worm.
Okay, we've discovered something very interesting about the chickens and the ducks. They have this symbiotic relationship where the ducks don't have claws on their feet.
Well, they do, but they don't scratch.
Yeah, but they don't scratch, and the chickens can scratch up a lot of dirt and leaves, and the ducks can't. So the ducks follow the chickens around and let them do all the digging up, and the ducks they grab the worms and the bugs.
Because the chickens scratch and then they look, and by then the ducks has already got their heads down.
Yeah,
I seen
interesting.
one ago, she scratched up a worm and Sam snatched it up and took off running. He ran all the way to the bottom of the hill.
Yeah.
And then they all went down there and found a lot of worms. Them chickens was standing in water up to their feathers.
We put water out for them to drink, and I don't know what it is about Sam. He just feels like he's got to get in every bowl of water.
Yeah, he has to sit in it, and Come on, you guys, get out of the ring. Ruthie, bring your babies over here. Come on up here. Come on, guys. It's raining.
It's been interesting. All right, I'll drink my coffee and get back to working on that. Okay, everything is up to 220. Now I'm doing it in the reverse, and I'm gonna go to 320, move everything back over here, and then go to 400 and move back everything over here. So, okay, just updating you. I had my coffee, sat outside with my wife. We watched the ducks and chickens peck around underneath the bushes looking for worms and good stuff. And now I'm fixing to go to 320 on all these. Well, I had a friend come by and spend the day. He made a knife, or got a good start on a knife. And I have everything sanded up to 320. Those two, Doug and Red, sanded up to 400. Arrows, I will sand up to 400 tomorrow. I believe I can get all of these to heat treating stage tomorrow. So today was a good day, even though I took some time and visited with a friend. But yeah, I got a lot done, especially first day after having the laser procedure done. Now I feel pretty good. Neither of my eyes hurt. And anyway, I'll be back in the morning. See you tomorrow.
You scared her.
This scared her?
Yeah, she thought you
Let
were.
me turn the light on.
Oh, that'll really freak her out.
Okay, you can have your pool mate back in a minute.
Ruthie, be quiet.
That is a pretty duck, isn't it?
She is. She is very pretty. Beautiful. Is your nose plugged up? Sorry. Calm down. Her tail, underneath her tail is
It is, yeah, real pretty. It's interesting looking.
beautiful. It's like this, but the lines are longer. And why are you so jumpy? I love the color of her beak.
Yeah, it's got a greenish tint to it, doesn't
Yeah. And her button is
it?
brownish. She's beautiful. Doesn't that feel weird?
Yeah. That does feel weird. Her beak is cold.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
And
weird.
fiddle and fiddle. I mean, my God. They love to do pockets.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ruthie. I keep looking for that curly tail feather that is going to tell me this is a drake, but she's marked like a. Oh no! Is that a curly tail feather? No.
Okay,
All right.
I'll get the camera away.